So you're sitting there wondering, how am I going to get in more customers next year, this month, week, maybe even today? My name is Nathan from Hamper Media Productions, and we excel at video production, social media management, and digital advertising. For this video, we're going to really quick just touch on a couple of points when it comes to digital advertising. Specifically, how can digital advertising help your business grow? If you're not utilizing digital ads, you're not getting in front of the right people, and you're leaving money on the table daily. And your competitors are happily picking that up. But hey, I'm not here to sell you on it. It's something that you should be doing if you're a business owner, and I think you know that if you're still watching this video. Maybe you are doing it on your own. I'm not even here to sell you on my business. Can I do it? Yes. And can we do it really well? Absolutely. But if you're doing it on your own, here's a few tips of maybe some ways to do it better. First, let's talk about targeting. You don't need to be shouting to the masses. And what I mean by that is taking an ad and just putting it on Facebook and letting Facebook or Instagram decide who sees it. If you're doing just a general ad like that, it's going to be expensive, first of all, and there's no guarantee that you're going to be getting in front of the right people, which is targeting. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to hyper-target and specify who exactly you want this ad to get in front of. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, please pay attention. You can focus on demographics like age, interests, even job titles. So a lot of the guesswork of who's going to be seeing your ads is taken out of it. You can even build lookalike audiences that look similar to the customers you're already serving, the ones that already love you. And that way you don't have to waste your money on people who couldn't care less. Not saying people couldn't care less about your business. They do, but there are people that won't. It's kind of the way things go. A good example is something that I do myself. I'm a wedding videographer as well, so there's a way for me to hyper-target people who just got engaged within 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year, which is honestly such a powerful tool when you think about it. Tip number 2 is content repurposing. Content is king, but strategy is queen. You don't need to constantly create new stuff to put out there. You can take old things and turn them into new things. For example, like a blog post. You can take a blog post that was written before and turn it into a video, or cut that blog post up into little reels or little content sections. You could do a podcast on that topic. You want to be putting content out all the time. And if you're using a business like mine to do so, then you're ahead of the game. But if you're doing it yourself, repurposing using this strategy is a good way to maximize your effort while minimizing your stress. And the final tip is do not ignore Google Ads. Google Ads is Facebook and Instagram targeting on steroids. People are seriously sitting here on their computer searching for your stuff. People are heading to Google looking at things like, my furnace just broke, where do I get a new one? How to make the best sloppy joes, dinner date night areas near me. The list is actually endless of what people will search for. There's some weird things that people search for, but if you can be someone that pops up when people are searching for the thing that you offer, that is key. And then people are clicking on that ad and they're ready to buy. They're the warmest customers you will get because they are searching for your service. And that comes down to, is your content good enough? Is your website good enough to sell them on it? And I guarantee you that at least one of your competitors is doing this. And if you're not, you're letting them get all of the action. So those are just 3 small tips, and honestly digital marketing is way more than that, and it can be extremely overwhelming. And clearly digital marketing is more than just having ads online. It's about being smart with those ads. You've already got the product, the service, and the know-how. So let's go ahead and get you those new customers, all right? Whether that's by watching this video and throwing a few more tricks up your sleeve, or calling us, and we can help you get the ball rolling and get more customers coming, calling, walking through your door.